Hi everyone. This time I want to demonstrate a skill and request of my dear BA students, and this time I will do again a mathematical skill. So later I will announce the topic, and it's a mathematical skill. To start the class in inclusive classroom or in special education classroom, we have to focus two main points, that is equal opportunities and active participation. And obviously we have to respect their rights. Okay, so when we arrange any kind of activity or when we make materials, we have to focus that each and every child can engage in this activity or in this material they can do. So for this class or for this demonstration, I will like to ask the children we will do an activity. Okay, so I will take some nuts, and one more thing, whenever we arrange some TLM or materials to teach the students, always focus that should be non-harmful and non-toxic. Other principles are there to prepare the TLM. Maybe next time or later I will demonstrate on that, but first 2 points in non-toxic and non-harmful, especially the smaller buttons, those small buttons or small anything which are very much small, those are very much harmful for our kids, any kinds of kids. So today I arrange this kind of things because lot of things is not available at my home, so I am arranging the nuts. Okay, so I will ask the children, I will all the children say, children, I will give you something, you have to catch it. Okay, they will not catch this kind of things. That time I will arrange more things, but at home we are doing like this. So I will give you have to catch it. When they will catch, the concentration level will be high and it will be helpful to grasp the concept, or it will be helpful for me to demonstrate the concept. So I will call one name of the student, maybe Rohan XYZ, like this. So I will call the name of our students and basically focus those children who needs special instructions, repeated instructions. So I will call one or maybe 2 times like this. So Rohan, catch it. If they're not able to catch it, I will reach out to them and I will give them, and focus not equally to each one. Okay, so I will give or throw 1 to someone, I will give 2 to another one, I will give 3 to another one, or again to another one, like this. So I will throw and they will catch, and this will the first step of that activity. Now I take the board and ask them, children, one by one you will tell me, raise your hands, who will get those. So they will raise their hands and I will ask one by one. First one, how many you got? So they will say, ma'am, 1. Next they will say 2. They will say 2, isn't it? One, then they will say, oh, not like this. One, then they will say 2, then again say 2. Okay, so initially 3 children got it, and 1, 2 and 2. So these are not equal numbers. So when we get it together, what will we do, children? You know that, because for this activity, they know how to add. Okay. So 1. Second student, drop it here. 2. And third student, drop it here. 3. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 nuts are there, isn't it? So they will say 5. So I will do, or we will do addition. We know this one, isn't it? Whenever we make it together, we have to do addition. Today we will learn one more thing, that new thing. Do you know that? These are not equal numbers to addition. But if I say, Rohan, you take 2. So they will take 2. Take 2. Then Sonakshi get 2. Then Rahul, you get 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. This I will give them another 3 students. Okay. Those who received not. Another 3 students I will give them. And now they will say, Ma'am, we received this kind of activity. I want to So children, those who got or received that nuts, please come here and drop it here. So first Rohan will drop here, second he will drop here, and another one he will drop here. He will drop here. So each numbers are equal, isn't it? When the numbers are equal, then we have to get it together. So when we make it together, we will not do addition. The new thing, that is multiplication. What is that? That is multiplication. Yes, today we will learn how to do multiplication. Why we will do? Because when the numbers are equal, we will do repeated addition. That is 2, 2 and 2, isn't it? So 2, if we make it together, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, so it makes 6, isn't it? It makes 6. So when we add equal numbers, we will do a easiest thing, that is multiplication. And that is, how many boys? How many boys? 3 boys are there. Each one get how many? Each one get 2. So 3 2s are 6. So when we do repeat addition of same number, we will not go for addition. We will go for multiplication. And when the numbers are not equal, then we will go for addition. Very sorry. We will go for addition. And same number, repeated addition, then we will go for easiest one, and that is multiplication. So this kind of activity that will help the children to grasp the concept. And to develop the tables, the repeated practice or daily practice will help them. Initially we will start 1 to 5 tables, and that will help them. Regular practice will help them to make it easier, okay, to do the sum easier. Okay, thank you. If it will help you, please give comments and obviously subscribe my channel.